exam weeks and it's not my favorite time because I'm trying to write my exam paper right now, as you can see. But I feel like exam weeks everyone is prepared and I am not. So
my sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charging. I mean, I'm gonna sell you out in your body. Go best friend, yeah, that's my best friend.
Hi guys, it's midterm exam week and I'm getting ready to go do my music exam right now, so I'm kind of a little bit nervous about doing that. But yeah guys, wish me luck as I go off in my exam. But we have to leave everything at the front entrance once enter the exam room. So guys, wish me luck. So hi guys, it's your girl Roxy, as you guys follow me on my adventures. Guys, it's exam weeks and it's not my favorite time because I'm trying to write my exam paper right now, as you can see. But I feel like exam weeks everyone is prepared and I am not. So I'm kind of worried. Guys, wish me luck. Guys, so I'm in my written essay exam and I'm reading Observer Development of Children's Language, and so we're supposed to analyze this and write an essay on it while we read. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, like I wanna jinx it, baby.
Yes, hi guys, we are at day 2 and we're basically doing a practical, and I'm here at the studio and I'm recording a song for our practicals. So we're learning about mixing, right? Is that what we call it, mixing? Mixing and making studio sounds or studio songs, I don't know. That's what we're learning, and I'm basically going to do that for the practical. Right, so come follow me inside the studio. You can get the tour.
Alright, teacher.
Yeah, we sit and chat and write, and the sitting area is so pretty, guys. Look how pretty it is. Yeah. So yeah. So now we're gonna watch what DJ Shaka is doing. So guys, as I said, I'm in studio and I'm here with
DJ Shaka. You know it's best for the mix.
Yeah. And so we're mixing a song.
Yeah, we're in the studio mixing a song.
DJ Shaka, you know, making the maddest mix.
Yes, we're in the studio, people, as he said, and we're making a mix. I'm gonna go up in the booth soon to this.
Yeah, just check out this mix. Check out this mix.
to the drama department. We're in the drama department right now, and we are in the second prop room. What we're doing is that we're basically doing a fitting. Yeah, we're doing a fitting for a skit that we're going to do for our school project. And this is the drama department. The drama department prop rooms are always messy, and the drama department but we're doing a Jamaican folk tale, and we're doing a Nancy story. I pick, with my group of 5 persons, I pick Anansi's riding horse, and that's a story where Anansi will be riding Tiger because they are attracted to this cute girl in the neighborhood, right? So that's what we're doing our fitting for our group of 5. Now, because we're doing a fitting, we could choose our outfit. I brought this, and we're going to fit it to match the Jamaican folktale or the Jamaican fairy tale. So this is the dress that I'll be wearing and everything for the Jamaican folktale or fairy tale. So yeah, so this is my dress, and we will be practicing it because you know we still have exam week, which is exam week, and this is practical. So we're doing our practical exam. So we're supposed to shoot a Jamaican folktale for our practical, right? So that's what we're basically going to do now, and I'm going to head out to practice with my group of 5 persons. I'll try my best to show you guys maybe the practice or who is in the group. I'll basically put that in this vlog. But if I don't show you this skit, what I will do is that next week I'll show you the entire production, the entire fairy tale. Okay, so yeah, so I might say peace out or whatever, but yeah.